Common foods that may increase your risk of cancer. Cancer is a complex disease. There are many types of cancer and various causes. Although we don't have all the answers yet, many factors are known to play a role in the development of cancer. Genetic makeup and family history play a role. However, external factors that you can control, such as your lifestyle, have a greater impact. Studies show that 80–90% of all cancers are caused by external factors. One of the most important lifestyle factors is eating habits. This is because many studies have found that certain foods are associated with a higher risk of developing certain types of cancer. Let's take a closer look at certain foods and drinks that may increase your risk of cancer, and take a closer look at what the scientific evidence says about the link between these foods and cancer risk. Hi, friends. Welcome back to my channel. If you are here, please subscribe my channel. It will make me able to provide you more information. Let's get started. Canned tomatoes. Food cans commonly contain bisphenol A BPA, a chemical linked to cancer and other serious health problems. Because tomatoes are highly acidic, they can leach problematic levels of BPA from the can into the food. Handle fresh tomatoes to avoid contamination. White flour. Cereals are an important source of food and are eaten processed or unprocessed. On average, a person tends to consume white or processed flour of a quality that can be harmful to them on a daily basis. The problem is particularly complex in countries where the food culture considers white flour mandatory. White flour is carcinogenic because it is exposed to large amounts of chlorine gas during food processing, making it toxic. Wheat or rice flour can be a good alternative to white flour. Read more about the benefits of rice flour. Microwave food. Busy lifestyles have led to the introduction of convenience foods into our diets. When it comes to microwavable food, the bags of food we put in the microwave contain a cancer-causing chemical called FOA perfluorooctanoic acid. This chemical is a known carcinogen that can cause various types of cancer. However, microwaving food does not cause cancer. Alcohol consumption. Another common alcohol intake that can cause cancer. Excessive alcohol consumption can have negative effects on your health. It can have negative effects on the kidneys and liver, and increase the risk of cancers of the liver, colon, mouth, and rectum. Red meat. Meat is a good source of animal protein, but consuming smoked and processed meats at the same time can be harmful. Nutritionally, meat does not contain any substances, but the processing of meat can increase its toxicity. After meat is processed and smoked, it is high in nitrates and nitrites, which are linked to the development of cancer. Sodas. Too much of anything can be harmful, and soda is no exception. Soft drinks are generally considered unhealthy because of their high sugar content. In addition to diabetes, sugary drinks may be a risk factor for cancer. Let me explain in more detail. Tumor cells usually form a tumor in one place, but the tumor can spread to other parts of the body. Sugar in the body promotes the growth of these tumors. Based on these facts, we can justify the role of sugar as a carcinogen. Pickled food. Pickling food is an ancient practice that makes food more delicious. While some health experts see pickling as a process, others consider it a bad eating habit. The salting process can increase the concentration of nitrates and salts in food, which have been linked to cancer risk. GMO foods. GMO products are the most important component of our diet, due to their increased production and increased nutritional value. On the other hand, GMO products increase the risk of developing cancer. Some chemicals used to grow these foods have been linked to cancer. Microwave popcorn. Did you know that bags of microwave popcorn are coated with a product called FOA, which has been shown to cause pancreatic, kidney, liver, and bladder cancer? When corn is cooked in a bag, FOA coats the corn along with the artificial trans fats found in butter. Popcorn is a healthy snack that should be cooked on the stove. Potato chips. It is high in salt and saturated fat and is not good for the human body. They are also high in cancer-causing acrylamide. which is found in foods cooked at high temperatures, increasing the risk of developing cancer. This chemical is dangerous because it is also found in cigarettes. Smoked and processed meat. Smoked and processed meats are high in nitrates and nitrites, which have been linked to cancer. It is also high in fat and is considered bad for the heart and digestive system. According to the Cancer Council, to reduce the risk of cancer, you should eat no more than 1 portion of lean meat a day, and no more than 2 portions 3 to 4 times a week. Red meat includes beef, lamb, and pork. If you enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe.